Hello everyone, how to tunes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use VisualMind AI MindMap chatbot application. So first of all, you need to install this app in your device, then simply tap on the open button. So you can see here like couple of options. So what you need to do, simply tap here get started. So if you have already account, then tap the already have an account. So I'm just going to tap get started to create the account, and you have to give your age, your gender. I'm just going to type randomly. Visual, you can type according to it. So I'm just going to tap, and they give you some. Okay, so here you can see this is the final output, analyzing response. So it's really nice if you give a prompt and they will give you the full visual direction. So it's creating mind map to topics. So you can see here it's not free. First of all, now you have to create your account. So simply tap sign up with Google. So here you can see it's creating now. So here you can see this is the final output. So what you need to do, visual anything mind map. So brainstorm anything, chat, you can see here create anything like summary, YouTube summary. So all the things here. So I'm just going to tap visual anything, maybe brainstorm chat. So here you can see this is the brainstorm chat. So it's also powered by GPT-4. So actually you can, this way you can create use this app is really simple. If you okay, I'm just going to leave this part, and you can see visual anything, brainstorming anything, create anything, link summary, YouTube summary. So you have to give your YouTube link here. If you give any website link here, then they will summary it. Create anything, you can create image here, and you can choose the ratio and brainstorm anything, so you can chat it here. So actually it's easy to use, and all the feature you'll get in one place.